Good evening, friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel Beyond Expectations. Today, I would like to share a list of best consultants who are available in Tri City from different specialties. First of all, I would like to talk about cardiology. Dr. H.K. Bali. He is available in Paras Hospital, Panchkula. Dr. Puneet Kumar Verma. He is available in ACE Heart and Vascular Institute, Sector 69, Mohali. Dr. Saxena, Sudhir Saxena. He is available in Max Hospital, Mohali. Then Dr. Anurag Sharma. He is available in Ojas Hospital, Panchkula. And at last, Dr. Rakesh Jaswal. He is available in Fortis Hospital, Mohali. Now I would like to talk about CTBS, Cardiothoracic Vascular Surgery. Dr. Shashi Jindal. He is available in Alchemist Hospital, Panchkula. After that, Dr. Virender Sarwal. He is available in Gratian Hospital, Mohali. And at third, Dr. Harinder Singh Bedi. He is available with IVY Hospital, Mohali. Now I would like to talk about neurosurgery. At first, Dr. V.K. Batish and Dr. V.K. Kak. They both are available in Paras Hospital, Panchkula. After that, Dr. Anupam Jindal. He is available in Fortis Hospital, Mohali. And Dr. Deepak Tyagi. He is available with Mayo Hospital, Mohali and Shalby Hospital. If we talk about spine surgery, Dr. Aditya Banta and Dr. Ashish Gupta, they both are available with Max Hospital, Mohali. And about neurology, Dr. Savan Kumar Verma, he is available with Shalby Hospital. Dr. H.S. Man, he is available with Fortis Hospital, Mohali. And Dr. Vikas Lakhanpal, he is available with IVY Hospital, Mohali. I will like to continue with orthopedic surgery. Dr. Manoj Wadhwa, he is available with Paras Hospital and IVY Hospital, Mohali. Dr. Bhanu Pratap Saluja, he is available with IVY Hospital, Mohali. Dr. Vikram Shah, one of the renowned consultants in Ahmedabad, he is running Shalby Hospital in Mohali. He comes for a week after every 6 months. You can visit there and meet him for the checkup. Then Dr. Gagandeep Singh, he is also available in Shalby Hospital, Mohali. And Dr. Suresh Kumar Singla. About gynecology and obstetric surgery, Dr. Umesh Jindal, Dr. Sheetal Jindal, Dr. Anupam Gupta, Dr. Swati Verma and Dr. Nidhi. They all are available in Jindal IVF and Sant Memorial Nursing Home, Chandigarh. Dr. Preeti Jindal is available in Fortis Hospital, Mohali. Dr. Tejinder Kaur, she is available with Fortis Hospital, Mohali. And Dr. Rimbi Singla, she is available with Radiance Hospital, Kharad. And at last, Dr. Sunana Bansal, she is available with IVY Hospital, Mohali. Now I would like to continue with kidney transplant. Dr. Priyadarshi Ranjan, he is available with Fortis Hospital, Mohali. And Dr. Mins also, he is also there in Fortis Hospital, Mohali. Dr. Varinder Dhankar, he is available with Mayo Hospital, Mohali. And Dr. Jinder Bans, he is available with Surya Kidney at Cosmo Hospital premises, Mohali. About urology, Dr. Maninder Singh Randhawa, he is available with Shalby Hospital, Mohali. Dr. Manoj Singh and Dr. Rajesh Gulia, they both are available with Maya Hospital, Mohali. About nephro, Dr. Manish Singla and Dr. Munish Chauhan, they both are available in Max Hospital, Mohali. Dr. Raka Kaushal, Dr. Kalwant Singh, they both are available in IVY Hospital, Mohali. About gastroenterology, Dr. Deepak Bhasin, Dr. Munish Chhabra, they both are available with Fortis Hospital Mohali. Dr. Ravinder Goyal, he is available with Mukut Hospital Chandigarh. Dr. Rahul Gupta, he is available with Maya Hospital Mohali. About pulmonology, Dr. S.K. Jindal and Dr. Aditya Jindal. Both are available at Jindal Clinic, Sector 20C, Chandigarh. Dr. Rahul Katyal, he is available with ACE Heart and Vascular Institute, Chandigarh and Mohali. And Dr. Suresh Kumar Goyal, he is available with Iviva Hospital, Mohali. About ENT, Dr. Dheeraj Gurvinder Singh, he is available with Shelby Hospital, Mohali. And Dr. Ashok Kumar Gupta, he is there in Fortis Hospital, Mohali. About internal medicine, Dr. Bhavesh Talera is available with Iviva Hospital, Mohali. Dr. Gurpreet Babra, he is also available there. Dr. Manisha Gupta, she is available with Shelby Hospital, Mohali. Dr. Sachin Verma, he runs his own clinic with the name of Holy Vessel in Mohali. If we talk about oncology, Dr. Jatin Sareen, he is available at Iviva Hospital, Mohali. Dr. Pranshu Chaudhary, he is available at Shelby Hospital, Mohali. And Dr. Rajan Sahu, he is available at Paras Hospital, Panchkula. If we talk about oncosurgery, Dr. Deepak Singla, he is available at Fortis Hospital, Mohali. And Dr. Vijay Bansal, he is available at Iviva Hospital, Mohali. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.